Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Range Rover SVR, very low mileage, very high spec, special matte paintwork on it. It is in lovely condition. Full Range Rover service history. It's got the deployable side steps. Gloss black alloy wheels complementing the black paintwork, quad exhaust, privacy glass, rear park distance control and camera obviously, electric tailgate, boot area is in lovely condition. The lovely contrasting interior, look at that, that's beautiful, with a Meridian sound system. Tilt side panoramic roof. As you expect, only done 15,000 miles, car's absolutely stunning. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated memory seats, electric seats, SVR embossed seats. Done 16,384 miles. SVR steering wheel, paddle shift, your multimedia systems, different driving styles, sat nav, Bluetooth pack, off-road capability. It's just got everything. Cruise control. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. It's priced low to sell. As soon as it's gone, it's gone. If you have any more want any more information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.